Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English words. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is behave, an A2 level verb that means to act in a certain way. It's a simple word, but incredibly important in everyday language. So, let's explore it together. To behave is all about how someone acts or conducts themselves. For example, if someone says, "Please behave yourself at the dinner table," they're asking you to act politely and appropriately. It's commonly used when talking about actions in different situations, whether good or bad. Some synonyms for behave include act, conduct oneself, and perform. For instance, he always acts professionally during meetings, or she conducted herself with great maturity during the discussion. These words share similar meanings and can often be used interchangeably with behave. On the other hand, antonyms for behave include misbehave, act out, and rebel. For example, the children started to misbehave during the long car ride, or he tends to act out when he's feeling frustrated. These words highlight behavior that is not appropriate or expected. In everyday life, the word behave comes up all the time. A teacher might say, "If you all behave well during the trip, we'll stop for ice cream on the way back." A parent might remind their child, "Please behave when we're at the store." You might also hear it in a friendly warning like, "You'd better behave, or you'll get into trouble." Here are a few more examples of behave in sentences. She always behaves kindly towards everyone she meets. The dog was trained to behave when guests arrived. If you want to make a good impression, make sure to behave professionally at the interview. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the word behave. We've explored its definition, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you, so why not create your own sentence using behave and share it in the comments? Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.